Monday, I gave out a signal, focus analysis on three pairs. That was Aussie USD, GBP CAL, I believe was about GBP AUD, and CHF or something like that. So, first things first, this is it, Aussie USD. So, let me just show you what I'm talking about. Aussie, okay, that was GBP AUD, and of course, we had Aussie USD. So, this is the video right here. Impulse correction, so I'm expecting all this to be an impulse all the way down. Okay, so if we have that kind of play, then this might be an impulse. This is a bearish flag correction for the market to continue its journey down. Okay, so let's go to the lower time frame and understand this kind of a pattern. Okay, let's go to the H4, something like this. Zoom out. Okay, now based on H4, we understand, okay, there's a kind of a behavior that I'm seeing. The market is doing this. Okay, went up, respected, it's kind of giving me an inverse head and shoulder. So if it takes out this high, let me show you this one, then if you want to scalp, you might scalp that 40 pips. Exactly, so that's it. I said if it takes that high, then it's time, for us to take that end position. So let me just show you on the premium group. I'll show you something right here. Just a minute. Premium group. Right here, I said, if you watched my previous video, you should be in profit now. Okay, Aussie USD. So this is when the market was playing out, you see, and this is when the final TP was smashed. You see, Aussie hit TP. This was a free signal that I gave you all, and if you watch that video, it took it. That is, congratulations. So let me show you. Probably let me just break down how I did this analysis, for you guys to understand. Okay, so let me just remove everything like this. Oh, before that, I'll need to, something like this. Maybe hit this replay like this. Okay, then I'll remove everything now. Okay, now this is based on the daily time frame. So when I came to this market, the first thing I needed to understand is the direction of the market. Okay, generally I see that we were in a downtrend, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, something like that. Okay, but I won't just make my entries if I don't see great levels or key levels. So first things first, I also need to understand the last high and the last low, something like this. Okay, yes, we understand that we're in a downtrend, guys. We are in a downtrend. This is the case. We are in a downtrend, and price kind of broke out of that downtrend, and I believe most people are thinking that this market has already turned to a sell market. Price broke out of that sell market, and most people are looking for buys. Okay, but that is not what I was seeing. I understood that this is just kind of yes, might be a breakout, but when you look at this to the left right here, we still had a resistance. Maybe that's why you see price respected. So I understand that all this is just an impulse and this is just a correction, and we should continue moving down. That is just based on the daily time frame. So I maybe need to draw this just like a continuation pattern, something like this, or a bearish flag, and of course we should be looking for sales based on the daily. Okay, but when we go to the H4, we see that price is doing something different though. Okay, based on the H4, we see something different. Okay, we had another trend right here, 1 2 3, something like this. Okay, let's just make it more clean, something like that. Okay, now if we had touches, we had a first side right here, second side right here, and the third side right here, then we see that kind of the market is dropping. But guys, I keep on saying you need to understand how price is approaching support or a resistance. So let me take you to the 1 hour. Now when we go to the H1, this is where the market was. something like this. So H1, this is what I was saying, and I was like, no way this market is giving me an inverse head and shoulder. Okay, if this market is giving me an inverse head and shoulder at a resistance, then I should be ready to take a buy, even though generally we should be looking for sales properties. Okay, but now we react to what the market is doing. The market's giving us an inverse head and shoulder. Yo, why will I take a sell? Okay, and I believe most people, yes, as usual, people do take their sell position on the resistance or the supply zone, and buy position on the demand or the support zone. Okay, so I like doing the opposite. When the market is at the resistance, maybe I should look for buys, you see, because most people will be looking for sales on that resistance. But there are some things that I put in practice, guys, that don't just do that. Okay, don't try this at home, you lose money. Okay, so let's go to the 15 minutes. Okay, so the market did this, blah 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 blah. And I said if it takes out this high, then I should be taking a buy. Okay, you understand that? Okay, price is giving people a double top. Okay, so most people are going to take sell position. That is, if you are a scalper or a day trader, I don't know, you're just analyzing the market on a smaller perspective. Hey, this market will really kill you. Okay, see that? All right, so the initial target, I believe, was this level right here, something like this, I believe so. And you see the market did this thing, appreciated our analysis. Yeah, the market appreciated everything basically, and yeah, our TP was kind of smashed. What was our TP? I believe it was not this high. I believe I had a level. Let me just confirm. I had a level, so more than, yeah, it should have been more than this level. So I believe there was a certain resistance right here, probably above, I can't remember, something like this, and the market smashed our TP, guys, with a bang. Bang. In fact, it was exactly, yeah, somewhere around that level. So you see how that was the easiest analysis ever, guys, that this market gave us. Pure price action, guys. And what did I see? Only this zone right here. Okay, an inverse head and shoulder, powerful. Left shoulder, head, went back, right shoulder, bro, simple. Okay, or in other terms, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is what I'm saying: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So that's the easiest price action, you guys. I believe you guys just understood that. Okay, and if you do not understand this short video, guys, kindly rewatch it. And at the same time, I can see that this was an impulse correction, so this was just kind of a correction or a continuation pattern. Who knows, that is when the market might reverse, because I'm anticipating a drop. So probably I might anticipate this like a double top. That is when it breaks, something like this. So that's just like I'm giving you guys signal. Okay, free signal once again, something like this. Probably something like this. Okay, because at the higher time frame we anticipate a drop. Maybe I should adjust this to take care of this week. Oh yeah, I understand why I had a TP right there, because of this week. Now it's making sense. So probably we should see another reversal right here. Maybe price hit this third touch, bounce off. Okay, something like this. Maybe if you want to take another second position or scale in, something like this. And if these things do not happen, guys, don't take your entries. Just watch out for price action. Remember, when I started this video, I said I was looking for sell property, but now when the market, when I went to the lower time frame, the market was giving me buys. Okay, So why will I take a sell based on the daily or higher time frame, but on the lower time frame the market is giving me buy position? Why will I? So I just react to what the market is doing, okay? And if I see it's giving me, or if I'm looking for buy and the market is giving me sell properties, I'm going in for sales. If I look for sales, the market is giving me buy properties, I'm going in for buy. So just reacting to what the market is doing. Paper price action, okay, guys? So I believe you guys learned something, and adios, amigos. Peace.